Translation sa Tagalog. Paano mamomotivate ang mga tao sa free society, sa equal money system?
FAQ. How will people be motivated in an equal money system and a free society? That is purely a question of character, in fact. I mean, your statement in terms of who you are, in terms of motivation, will indicate your character, your value.
Kung anong nagmo-motivate sa'yo ay nagpapakahulugan kung sino ka. Ang iyong value
will indicate who you are. And therefore you must consider this question very carefully. Because if you require money to motivate you, you are in fact making a statement that you exist as greed and...
Dahil kung sasabihin mo na ikaw ay gagawa lang dahil kailangan mo ng pera o ang nagmo-motivate sa iyo ay pera, ibig sabihin nun ikaw ay nag-i-exist as greed.
That because unless you get money, you will not move.
Dahil kung walang pera, hindi ka makikilos.
That means you are completely and utterly subject to the system of profit and loss.
At dahil dito, subject ka sa sistema ng profit and loss.
And because of that greed, you do not care about life.
At dahil sa greed na yon, hindi ka talaga nagki-care sa buhay, sa life.
So, stop, breathe deeply, and consider the following.
So, stop ka lang dyan. Breathe deeply. Tapos, i-consider mo ang mga sumusunod.
Let's remove money from society completely.
Alisin natin ang pera sa society.
And start to look at what the function of life pertains or is here.
At tingnan natin kung ano talaga ang kahulugan ng buhay.
On earth, we require shelter, equipment, car.
Nangangailangan tayo ng shelter, equipment, kotse,
food, all kinds of things.
Pagkain at marami pang bagay-bagay.
And within that, most people have not found what they truly love. Now,
at hindi pa natin nakikita kung ano ang talagang gusto nating gawin na tao sa ating puso.
I'll start looking at what you really like, what you truly love. Within that context, start to look at why do you not allow what you love to be your motivation? Because
tingnan natin kung ano talaga ang gusto nating gawin. At tanungin natin ang sarili natin, bakit hindi yun ang nagmo-motivate sa atin sa buhay? Kung anong gagawin natin sa buhay.
Then, your motivation will be pure motivation, and the love that you have and you exercise to the benefit of others as your motivation will make love manifest and prove.
Dahil kung yun ang motivation natin, makikita ng lahat kung gaano natin kamahal ang buhay at ang ating ginagawa. At kung kung paano natin ginawa yon ay magpo-prove
that work, in fact, as Khalil Gibran said, is love made visible.
na ang work, sabi nga ni Khalil Gibran, ay love made visible.
Then all the stories of love that now exist in this world will get a total new view.
Then ang lahat ng mga istorya tungkol sa love ay magkakaroon ng totally new view.
We will no longer be controlled by love for money.
Hindi na tayo makokontrol ng pagnanasa natin magkaroon ng pera.
But we will do what we love. And from that perspective,
At gagawin na natin ang mga bagay-bagay na gusto nating gawin at malapit sa ating puso.
be proper examples for our children, and you'll be able to really appreciate what is made because it will be made well.
At magiging example tayo sa mga anak natin at mga kabataan. Dahil ang work natin ay love made visible.
And you'll be able to see the love within the way it was made. You can go back.
At makikita mo ang kung paano ginawa ang bagay na ginawa mo, ay magsasabi o magpapahiwatig sa lahat na nakakita dito na yun ay ginawa mo dahil sa taos-puso mong pagmamahal sa ginagawa mo.
In history, and you will find things that were made by hand.
At makikita mo sa nakaraan na istorya ng buhay ng mga tao na yung mga ginawa by hand.
And through the hands of love. And
at yung mga ginawa ng kamay na yun na galing sa puso.
You can appreciate that those things do carry value.
At ma-appreciate mo na yung mga bagay na yun ay nagki-carry ng value.
Because the way it was made in, whether it is machine, wood, whatever it is.
Dahil kung paano mo man ginawa yun sa makina o sa kahoy.
It's our food that is prepared.
O ang pagkain na prinipara mo.
Carries with it the very essence of the being or the person that
ay magpapahiwatig ng iyong pagkatao dahil sa makikita ng lahat na ang ginawa mong bagay o prinipara mong pagkain ay galing sa puso mo.
That made it. And that is how one would like to live. Truly experiencing
ganito ang
what it
gusto nating
means
pamumuhay.
to be multiple beings in a reality.
At makikita natin na kung paano maging multiple beings.
Where you treat each other as equals.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagtrato natin sa isa't isa na pantay-pantay as equals.
In that very recognition, you will be motivated to not be left out from.
At dahil doon, hindi mo gugustuhin hindi ka kasali sa society sa mga ginagawa nito tungkol sa ganitong mga bagay. Mahalagang bagay. Kundi gugustuhin mong maging party noon
made in, whether it is machine, wood, whatever it is, are truly experiencing what it means to be multiple beings in a reality where you treat each other as equals. In that very recognition, you will be motivated to not be left out from the society, but to be part of it through giving, and therefore you would receive.
At makikita mo na pag nagbigay ka, ay makakatanggap ka din.
And the words of Jesus will be made visible.
At ang mga sinabi at ginawa ni Jesus ay magiging maliwanag sa lahat.
Everywhere, and therefore we will live heaven on earth.
So dahil doon, mamumuhay tayo na parang asa heaven tayo dito sa lupa.
For more on astoundingly different approaches to life,
Para makakita pa kayo ng mga iba pang mga paraan para mamuhay ng ng nakakaibang paraan ng pamumuhay dito sa mundo.
read our blog books monthly. Here
Basahin niyo yung mga blog books dito.
are some links.
www.equalmoney.org